Big storm over Pattaya right now. KeithOutdoors.com. I could hear the thunder. It's barely sprinkling here, but it may come this way. You can hear it right over there. A real dark cloud. They're coming. We're gonna get wet. The radar didn't show it behind me over there. Guess you can't trust radar. Losing in on me. I may be able to shoot it from outside here. Tree town's getting wet. All seems to be pretty much north of 3rd Road right now. Take that back. Moving now. North Pattaya is getting wet almost all the way to the water, the ocean. And heavy too. Barely make out that lit TV screen sign over there. Sure makes the air smell good though. No, I'm getting wet. The wind blowing under here. Wow, I can't even see that TV sign anymore. I call it TV sign. It's a big lit sign they put pictures and stuff up on. And it's the size of a billboard. It was visible a few minutes ago. I'm not seeing the lightning. I'm hearing the thunder, but I'm not actually seeing the lightning. Let's go in here. Okay, I got up to myself. There's the ocean. You can see Kolan. Here, let me zoom in from there. No, I just saw that landing. There's the island of Kolan. Some of the boats. Like I said in previous videos, here at Pattaya, I mean, I haven't seen a foot height wave yet. Now, I bet if you go into John Pien, they get higher over there because, as I've mentioned in my other videos, this part of Pattaya is a horseshoe. So it's protected, like if there's a big south wind, it's not going to be pushing the water in. Now we're getting a good amount of rain all the way around us. I'm not going to open the door, I'll get all wet in here. The wind's pushing it in now. I personally love storms. I always made the joke that I joined the National Guard so they'd send me to hurricanes. When I was a volunteer fireman, I was always the first one to volunteer to go down to the coast, help out. Never did any storm chasing, which is really weird because I totally got into that. Of course, living in Florida, other than the hurricanes, the rest of the year you ain't got nothing to do. And we don't get the big constant tornadoes they do across the Midwest. Now you can almost barely make out that high rise with the O in the top of it. They haven't opened this building up yet. Kind of interested, I'd like to get up to see the roof on that one. Pool looks different. There's the Hilton. Bunch of other little places to stay. And then of course you got Tree Town right there. Alright, well, we'll pretty much close it out there. Another beautiful day in Pattaya. Like I said, I enjoy the rain, cools it off. Yesterday was like 95 and outside right now is like 82. So I can live with that. Alright, everybody have a great day.